And good morning, YouTube. Good morning. Welcome to another YouTube video. I'm Michael. Today, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. Cook up some pork, brown stew pork. I rather say stew pork. So stew pork and rice and gungo. For the gungo here, I cook. So, all of you who say you want to see me cook more often, this is a cooking video today. Alright? If you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and watch the other videos. Alright, my channel is all about home and garden, everything to do with the home. So we do a little bit of cooking sometimes and the channel as well. Alright, if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for your subscription and thanks for the support. So I'm gonna wash this off now. Some vinegar water. You can see the pork, very nice meat, nice marbling as well. I have just the right amount of fat. Alright, look at the skin, very limited amount of fat. Alright, this is why some people don't enjoy pork, because it's too much back fat. So this back fat is less than a quarter of an inch. Matter of fact, this is maybe about an eighth of an inch, which is ideal. Alright, so I'm gonna wash this up now and season it up. So see you soon. So alright people, like everything else in cooking, preparation is the key. So prep my seasoning already, and I have my ground pimento seed, I have my Eve browning over there, and I get chicken season. This is the all-purpose. So it's basically it. I already have onion, scallion, hot pepper, ginger, garlic. Everything is in this. Alright, with amount of season. And the key to cooking is good preparation and low heat, low flame. So if you turn up the flame too high, you're gonna burn up your food. So you cook on low flame. Alright, the meat, as I said, is ideal because the back fat is very thin. And by the way, people, the fat is what flavors the meat. So if you cut off all your fat, then your meat not going to taste good. So you need some amount of fat. Refer to it as marbling. Alright, so you need some amount of fat. So I'm just going to add the ingredients now. Just watch me do it. So first, let me add the pimento, ground pimento, all the dry seasoning. Just knock this out. Alright, me alone I do it to my peeps today, so you have to bear with me. Alright, Maggi. So all the seasons have been added now. So I'm just going to combine them together, and then I'll show you the finished product. Alright, so you just go in and combine them together. Alright people, so all the seasons have been combined to the meat. Alright, I'm just going to allow this now to sit for about 10 to 15 minutes while I go and prep the pot to put on the meat and for the rice. So I'm just gonna let this marinate a little. Ideally, you don't want to season it up from overnight, but if you're a good chef or a good cook, you can do it right off the bat and cook at the same time. But ideally, the longer you soak the seasoning, is the better the meat is going to taste. Alright, because most of the seasoning will be absorbing it. Alright, so see you when I put it on the stove. So people, the meat has gone into the pot. Here, cooking down nicely. Peas still a cook. Gungo peas. Coconut over here, ready to be blended. The pan will be and we are going. So see you soon. Okay guys, so this is the stew pork. See it? Really beautiful. It's not yet cooked, but it's getting there. I'm just giving you an update. Really looking nice. So peeps, this is the coconut milk. The peas is cooked. I'm gonna add it to the pot now and let it boil for a while. So watch me do that. Let me show you the meat. See? So this need about maybe another 10 minutes and that's ready. So just a little update for you guys to show you what is happening in the progress so far. Alright guys, so this is it. This is the finished product. And to tell if the pork is cooked, just get a fork and push it right through the skin. You see? So you just identify a piece of skin like this. Like that one. And you push it right through. Right? It's supposed to come right up on the fork. Nice and juicy. And I can tell you, very, 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 very tasty. So coconut milk is boiling now. I'm going to put the rice in the pot shortly, but you have to let it boil down some more, and that's how you get a nice rice and peas that is full of moisture and texture. Nice coconut texture. So let it boil, but season it up with some scallion, some green pepper, and maybe a few pimento seed, and then we'll cook that rice. The meat is done, so we're gonna allow this to stay there, and then the muscles can relax, muscle fibers can relax, and the flavors will absorb into the meat, and everything will nice. When you take off the pot, when you take off the meat off the fire, it is not good to just shear it right away. Just allow the muscle fibers to relax first, and then you get that nice, come like when you eat it overnight. When you notice how overnight meat nice, food in general, because all the fibers are relaxed, and the flavors are fully absorbed in the meat. So we have enough gravy and everything. See, enough gravy is there. Just gonna allow this to relax now. We'll just finish up the rice. Alright, so we have the rice over here ready for wash, and the green pepper and the scallion in the fridge. So see you when I see you. Alright guys, so I'm gonna season up the rice pot now. We have scallion, green pepper and thyme. I have the pimento seed in the pot already. So just put these ingredients in. Let it boil for a while, and we're gonna wash our rice and add it. So guys, this is the rice. You can steam down now. Looking good. Yeah man. So alright guys, this is the dinner. I have the rice there, looking nice and chilly. I have some tomato and callaloo, and this is the pork over here. So this is it.
Yeah, I am. Now, can I have the stone, please?
And that's the pork right there.
Are you okay?
Where's the John? Eat nice? You did?
Steve, what happened?
Alright, boys them say it nice, so me have to taste it now.
This is what causes him to super heal. That's
Yeah.
too bad. Maybe I can use it to my ability.
Really nice to chew. Yeah?
I want some of the tomato.
You want tomato?
Yeah, no kidding. Where is he anyways? Zoe,
Here.
did you realize what's on our street?
What is that?
There's a bunch of like wreckage and stuff.
Trust me guys, it
Rubble around.
nice. The rice is really shelly.
Brainstorm.
See there?
Hey, watch out!
Who is that? Brainstorm? Oh gosh, it's trying to kill us.
Pork.
Nothing. We're just regular
Wow.
civilians, sir.
Yeah, I'm just a candy store owner.
Really nice.
I'm sleepy too, and hungry, and I need a shower.
Hello, friends. Here's another check for no reason.
Where were you 5 minutes ago? I could have
So guys, remember to like,
This amount of money.
share the video,
Take the boy to the park and get him to do
and
tricks.
subscribe to the channel.
All right, newborn,
Thank you
run
for watching.
the
Come on, go.
See the rest of food there. Rice. Yeah. So thank you very much for coming by. And thanks for watching the video. Bless. Peace.